action.
50 seconds. Go, go, go.
The atriums will push blood from the top of the heart towards the bottom.
So then lift upwards.
We are here at the University of Tulsa for 918 Kickstart. It is our camp for rising 9th and 10th graders to promote college and career readiness.
Follow Miss Ashley.
Over the course of 2 days, these students are able to tour the University of Tulsa campus. We're going to tour TCC Metro tomorrow. They're participating in breakout sessions about different college majors and different career paths that they can go into. And those are led by professors and staff from the different universities that are partnering with us, as well as volunteers from the community who are coming in to help instruct our students about what different career paths and college majors could look like for them.
How many different things do you notice would need a job for to make all of this happen?
These are freshmen and sophomores. It's really important to get started with this process just because when they start applying to colleges their senior year, we are looking at those applications, their transcripts, their resumes from things that have started from freshmen all the way up to their junior year and part of their senior year. So it is very important that they know it doesn't just matter that year before, they have to get started as soon as high school starts for them.
If you are doing engineering, you're upstairs, and if you're doing medical, you're upstairs.
Tulsa Community College is a big partner with all of our institutions around Tulsa because we are a 2-year institution. So whether students want to be work ready and graduate from TCC and go straight into the workforce, or graduate and transfer to institutions like the University of Tulsa, it's super important that TCC has a face out here so we can also impact those students, tell them about our scholarships early and also our transfer scholarships to institutions like University of Tulsa.
A takeaway we hope they have is that they are more motivated for these next 4 years of high school of, again, everything counts, everything I'm doing, I need to be getting myself involved, that there's a variety of things I can study. I hope that it gives them just more insight of like how to stand out when they get to that senior year.
High school really is the kickstart to their next steps. Are they going to go to college? Are they going to go into the workforce? What do they need to do to be successful and do what they want to do, right? So I'm hopeful that during this time for these 2 days, students are really paying attention to their college choices and also different careers that are out there.
We want our kids to be 100% college and career ready, and this is just one of the many ways that Union is able to do that. We're really thankful for the support that we've had from the University of Tulsa, from TCC's Community Foundation, from OU and OSU. They're also partnering with us on this, as well as organizations like Tulsa Higher Ed and the Oklahoma National Guard who are helping to sponsor this, provide food and snacks and activities for students. We could not do it without everybody who's been working together to make this happen.
If you want to put your hand under there, I can return it back to you.